guys, so today I'm going to be doing something very exciting. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I'm so excited. This is the new Wet n Wild SpongeBob collection. And I'm so excited that I actually got this. I'm not sponsored or anything. I actually just got to buy it. So let's jump in, let's get started. Obviously I'm wearing my SpongeBob shirt because I love SpongeBob. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the full collection. So we have our 3 sponges. This is for makeup brushes. Over here are the 2 setting sprays. The palette, of course, in the center. Me throwing stuff. The 2 kabuki brushes. The Wet n Wild sponge cleaner and the little SpongeBob house. I love it. And then his highlighter as well. So let's dive in and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the eyes today because I don't know how these shadows are gonna react, like if they're gonna fall out or not, but you know, it's fine. Oh my god, I love the names. Okay, so here is Nautical Nonsense. They all have names, super exciting. Just so y'all know, it is also Mental Health Awareness Month. So we are definitely going to be using this lime green shade since that is the color of mental awareness, and that is called The Best Day Ever. Yes, that's called Best Day Ever, and they all have names, so I will try to remember to either put the names in the description below or let you know while I'm using them. So I'm gonna do what I always do and prime with my e.l.f. concealer, and then I will be back. And we're back. So I'm going to start out with this top shade here, which is called Mayonnaise. Interesting, because it doesn't really look like mayonnaise, but you know, it's fine. Maybe they got some weird colored mayonnaise under the sea. And I'm just going to lightly dust that around. Alright, and then next I'm going to take One Eternity Later, which is the brown with the burger in it. That's adorable. Love these little imprints that they did. And then just throw that into the crease. And I'm gonna do like higher into my crease because I have hooded lids. So I'm gonna do something a little bit weird, but that's totally fine. I'm going to take this brush and I'm actually going to put my lid color on first, which is The Best Day Ever, which is that lime green color, and then see the payoff without wetting it. Oh, okay, Wet n Wild coming through. So this is not wet or anything, so I'm gonna see which one. I'm gonna use the hydrating mist. Okay, it says shake me, so I'm gonna shake it. Oh, it has like glitter in it. Oh shit, okay. Smells like glitter. No. Okay, so I'm gonna use the one without glitter just so we can get like its true color. And I'm just going to spritz the brush, maybe. Spritz the brush a couple times. That is really fragrant. Wow. Whew. That is like a perfume, y'all. This is the F.U.N purifying setting mist. Ooh, it's got some fragrance in it, let me tell you. If you're not a huge fan of fragrance, maybe don't get these. Whew. Spray that down there. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, this is the Maurice brush. I don't know, I got it in an Ipsy bag. Or it was given to me? I can't remember. I think one of my friends gave it to me, actually. Oh, that is such a pretty color. I'm just going to do the other eye real fast. god, that is beautiful. So next I'm gonna take this color right here, and it's called Me Money. Yeah, like Miss Krebs. I'm going to take it just on the like flip side of my brush, so like that has the light color. I'm just gonna take it. Ooh. So I don't know if it had like a glitter layover, but you see how it's so much darker in the pan now? Interesting. And I'm just going to, well, put a little bit just there. And then kind of blend it up. Way more pigmented. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Morphe E28 brush. I'm just gonna like dab it a little bit. That way we're not like having like color splashes like this. I'm just kind of like winging it out. I'm going to bring it up. Because this color does have shimmer in it, I don't want to take it too far into the crease and like look hella crazy. But like, once the shimmer's off of my brush, I'm just gonna like roll it on through. Something similar to that. And I'm gonna take that first brush, which was the E23 brush. This is a load of Barnacles. So we're gonna take that next. And I'm just going to like kind of lightly place it where we put that green color and blend it out like super well. And if you notice, I take it in here just to like help contour my nose as well. Yeah, that made it much softer. And I might go back in and just like bring that green back up. I'm just gonna take that to like my desired darkness. And like trust the process, because this looks crazy right now. I actually didn't mean for my nails to match my eyes, but that's icing on the cake right there. But I'm going to, when I do like all of my makeup, it'll look so much better. Just trust that process. I did not know, okay, so they are different. So this one right here, the B.F.F, Best Friends Forever, is a priming mist, and then this is a setting mist. Okay, makes tons more sense now. I was like, why'd they come out with two setting mists? It's weird. I want to get that shaken up in there, that way we get an even coating. And look at that, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love it, love it. Okay, so we're gonna do some test squirts. Same fragrance. A little bit less fragrant, but it's there. It's a super fine mist, like, I don't know if you can. So it's not like leaving any droplets or anything on my face. And you know we love a good mist, so we're just gonna pile that on. Let it dry for a hot second, and then I'm gonna use my same foundations, so I will come back when my foundation is done, and then I will show you the other parts of the collection. And we're back. So I forgot to use a sponge to apply my foundation, A+. But I am going to use Patrickk to set under my under eyes, and I'm just going to blend that out a little bit, maybe put a little bit more on. Just to, you know, really cover up them bags, because girl needs it. So I'm just going to blend this out. Forget how far this goes. And that is just like my Beauty Blender, wow, That's just like, no. This is my Beauty Blender foundation. I just use it as concealer also because like can't be bothered, so. Ah, that's the shirt I need to wear. It's my Shinnick, so can't be bothered shirt. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Patrickk Starr powder from MAC. I know it's old, it's fine. It works. And I'm just going to take the other side of his head and just pat that out. I really do like the sponges though, how dense they are just from feeling them, even when they're wet. They're super dense, and even when they're dry, they're super dense. Ooh, that's a good nose contour. Get some of that powder off. Just boop, 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 boop. Gotta make sure it's real lined up though. Okay, so I'm gonna use my SpongeBob sponge, and I put some Patrickk Starr setting powder into the lid, and I'm just gonna get some of it, pat it around, get it on his little head, and cut them cheekbones, girl. What fat cheek? Too much. I'm just going to like pull it down because there's a lot there. And then I'm gonna roll his butt down. Tap that down. Alright, so the only one I didn't use is the Squidward. I don't really know why he has a flat head. Like, I don't, maybe so he can stand like that, like you can just, I don't know. But I feel like this would be really good for like liquid blush, a liquid highlighter, foundation. Like I feel like this one like does everything. I like the Patrickk for the under eyes and stuff. Alright, so now I'm going to take my SpongeBob Kabuki. I'm just going to brush that off, blend that out a little bit, and just brush that off. This is so soft. Alright, so love that. That's amazing. Now I'm going to take my blush, and I'm actually going to use a color from the palette. Actually, two colors from the palette. It's going to be these two here in Starr and Howdy, Y'all. So I'm going to take those two on my little Sandy. I'm just going to dab into both of them. Just kind of get it around. Bring it around town. Sorry, that was probably obnoxious. It's fine. And then I'm just going to dust her off. Oh, yep, very pigmented. That pink is like shining through, so I'm just going to that is a beautiful blush color. That's what they need to come out with. Is that color and blush? The whole collection right there. Okay, moving on. And now I'm going to use the beloved SpongeBob highlighter. Look how pretty it is in the pan. I don't want to mess his little face up. So I'm just taking my M510 brush. I'm trying to see if it's just a film on top. It does not look like it. It looks like this is a full-on glitter highlighter. So I'm going to be very careful and just put it back here on my cheekbone. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. That is shiny. I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger. Oh, too much. And just blend it up. And just like that. So this is the Morphe M139 brush. And So I'm gonna take this brown color, this brown color, and I actually want to bring some warmth back into it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this color. It doesn't, I don't know if it's translating well on camera, that it's kind of warm, but all the other shades are like very cool toned. Besides like the orange, actually. Let's go for it. Let's put a little dab of orange in there. Ooh, okay. Changing the look. Put a little dab of orange in there. Stunning, darling, stunning. Ooh, yeah, I like that much better. Okay, so for my bottom lash line, I'm going to be using the dark green that I used just super tight in the lash line. Just like that. I don't think I want to bring it all the way in because I don't want my eyes to be closed off. And then I'm going to be using the E36 brush. This is like one of my favorite brushes from Morphe. This one, and there's like two other like super small ones that I absolutely love. They're the best for the lower lash line. So I'm gonna take One Eternity and Pretty Pattie, and those is brown. Loads of Barnacles, and I'm gonna mix those together, kind of. I'm just gonna like do my little dabby dab in all of those. Tap it off. Just kind of like soften the outside, honestly. Like I don't want anything too heavy right there, but I also don't like my bottom lash line bare. I feel like it makes my eyes look weird. I know a lot of people that can pull it off. Your homegirl is not. I'm gonna take this and kind of blend out the highlighter. Actually, I'm gonna take the Sandy and just blend out that highlighter. I feel like it looks super harsh. Okay, so I'm gonna jump back off, finish my eye makeup and my lips. Be right back. Alright, so that's it for me today, guys. Sorry for keeping you so long. I just really wanted to show y'all the full collection. And yeah, I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the bell button. That just lets you know whenever I upload a video. As of right now, I'm uploading every Wednesday morning at 9 a.m. And don't forget to comment your favorite part. If you've tried the SpongeBob collection, let me know. Let me know if you bought all 3 sponges like Eyeko. Hi. And yeah, tell me your favorite part about SpongeBob. Bye guys.